If you're a performing artist looking to book more shows, then you probably know the struggle of trying to actually find a venue that will book you. You need to be able to look for and find the venues that are most likely to want to book you and your music, but that's easier said than done until now. Here is a tool called bookingagent.io. You can grab my affiliate link to this in the description below if you want to check it out for yourself. But the way this works is artist search. You can find venues where similar artists have performed. So you're going to want to type in artists that are similar to you, and this will show you across the globe all the places where that artist has performed. Therefore, they are a venue that's more likely to want to book you because you play the same kind of music. And you can also search on city and genre. So here's the bar where you're going to search. At the top, you can find venues where a similar artist or a similar music style has performed. You can discover locations that want to book your genre. And you can also, here's the big one, get the actual contact information of the booking agents in these venues. So this is going to save you so much time, hours and hours of time of searching across the internet, and give you a lot more results as well. So when you're searching, you want to ensure that each genre contains multiple subgenres for a comprehensive coverage. So click here to begin finding venues. The system will search for relevant venues. Results will appear in the interactive map, and contact information will be automatically gathered. So I'm going to search for the Midnight. I think they might actually be on tour right now. So that's really cool. Not only does it show where they performed, but it has the date as well. So you just got to give it some time to search. And by the way, this is not a static database. This is actively searching and crawling and updating in real time with the latest results. So it's always going to be up to date. All right, so we've finished and you can see all the different results. So a bunch over here and what looks like, okay, Maryland, New York, Massachusetts. So then we can start clicking on this. Oh, 3 in Cleveland. So you can see the different venues there. Any in Florida. So you can see right here where they played Janice live, and we can see the name and the email of the people at the venue and their positions. I got social media manager, general manager, also phone numbers, LinkedIn. That's incredible. So I'm guessing you'd want to reach out to like the entertainment director. You even have the lead bartender. So right, you could reach out to all of all these people, annoy them enough that someone will respond back to you. And so then this is where the credits come in. So if you want to get the email of this person, we can do get email. So you do have a limited number of credits that you can use, but you get quite a few credits. So boom, there's the email right there. So there's even a link to their website, promoter. You can even click to find the actual booking contact info that searches on LinkedIn. And so if you think this is a good venue for you, you can click, first we got create a project. So we can say create new project. We'll say Synthwave tour, and then we can save the venue. So you can go through search, find all your venues, and then when you're ready, you can go back through your list and contact. And see now we are down to 199 credits. So you can see you can find 200 emails for your subscription here before you need more credits. So that's really cool. And like just with this one artist, that's a lot, but if you want even more, what if we just did search by city and genre? Select genre, we'll do electronic, and we'll do city. Let's just say Miami. And by the way, if you're a fan of Dexter, just looking at Miami here, the TV show Dexter, the actual audiobooks for that TV show were recorded at Unity Gain Recording Studio, which is the studio where I learned music production, where I went to audio engineering school. So just a cool little, I don't even know what that is because I wasn't involved, but just thought that was a cool little piece of trivia. So here we got a bunch of locations where electronic music is going to be played. Wow, that's a lot of venues. So again, you got website. This one actually has a capacity 20,000, so that's really cool. Unknown venue. So you have the actual booking email right here. So yeah, another reason why this is great is because a lot of times if you just go to a website and like use their actual like contact form, whatever you have, a lot of times you're not going to hear back from someone. But if you're actually reaching out to the actual individual in charge of this or multiple individuals that work there and you're using their name, and you're much more likely to actually get a response. So then you can go over here to my saved venues, select my project, Synthwave Tour, and boom, I have my saved genre venue there that I can quickly pull up, get the information, contact them. So if you're serious about touring and booking shows, then bookingagent.io is the absolute best tool for you. Again, if you want to support the channel, use my affiliate link in the description below to check it out, and ask any questions you have in the comments below. Now, beyond booking shows, if you're looking to increase your streaming numbers and actually generate consistent income from Spotify and these streaming platforms, then definitely check out my video in the box on the screen right now. And that will take you to a video where I interviewed a friend of mine, and he's been able to amass millions of monthly listeners for his music following a really simple system that he developed. So if you want to learn that, then go watch that video right now.